Hey guys, so today is June 5 and it's currently 4:48 p.m. So hapon ngayon and medyo naulan. So today, ang agenda ko lang is mag-aabang ako ng email sa akin or call about dun sa ina-applyan ko because I was looking for a job. Yes, you heard it right. I was looking for a job na at 20 years old. Target ko, kailangan may first work experience na ako na nahanap for myself. So, ayun yung target ko and I'm hoping na matupad or makakuha ako ng work before 20. So, ilang buwan na lang, malapit na ako mag-20 and ayun ang target ko lang naman. So, ayun. And I'm actually doing something here sa laptop. Nagawa ako ng dito. Kasi medyo sinisipag ako ngayon. Tapos na yung final. So, I'm just waiting for the result. Tapos hindi ko alam kung makakapag-proceed pa ako ng second year college. So, ayun. Hindi ko alam kung magiging teacher pa tayo. So, I was doing my anong tawag dito? Yung mga pictures, parang college siya ng mga specific ones mo. Ang tawag doon, ayun, so, ang tawag pala doon is mood board. Yung mga ganon. Parang every year mo yung ginagawa. Actually, yung ganon ko, lagi ko ginagawa yung yearly since 2021. But, I failed because, hindi ko na siya natutupad. Parang more on planning lang ako. Tapos hindi ko nagagawa. So now, I want to do all of my plans. Like with action na ganyan. More on actions na tayo instead of planning. But I still want to follow my plans because, sayang naman yung mga sinulat natin. Pero I don't know kung magagawa ko yan. I'm just sharing it. Di ko alam kasi kung pag nag-post ako ng videos, tapos pag binabalikan ko, hindi ko alam kung nangyayari siya or what. So, I just wanna share it. Ayun. My main agenda for today is finish my mood board. Yan. Mood board. Ayan. Nakikita mo yan, mga ganyan. Kung mga... After finishing my mood board, tignan ko yung Harvard assessment ko. Tignan ko sana matanggap ako. Ayun. So, first ever job ko at 20 years old. By my own. Yung hindi ako nilalakad ng parents, ganyan, or something, family connection. So, ayun, I'm trying to find a work for myself. And sana mag-fit to work ako because I'm very anemic. Like, lagi akong kinukulangan ng dugo every month na malapit ako magka-period. Tapos nahihimatay ako, ganun. So, I'm scared kasi baka mamaya pumatak siya ng exactly ganun sa employment ko. Like last time, pasado na ako sa screening. I'm about to visit my initial interview on site, but I failed to do that because I was in the hospital, very sick, very weak because of my low iron. So, I'm very, very scared, nervous, and hopeful for today. I don't know. Sana umayan sa atin ang destiny at ang will ni Lord. Let's see. Ito na lagi ang new look ko. No makeup, just glasses. Because, we gotta protect ourselves, our eyes. Actually, kasabayan ko din yung friend ko, si Clark. So, siya, okay na siya. Natanggap na siya. Tapos ako naiiwan ako dito. So, ayun, yung kasabayan ko na una na. But it's okay. I'm so happy for her. So, ayun. Sana ilibre niya ako. Sana magpa-blow out si Bading. I'm waiting. So, sa Pinterest, yan. Ito. Sa Pinterest, dito ako naghahanap ng mga mood board ko yan. Kunyari sa YouTube because I'm very, I don't know, but I'm hopeful sa YouTube ko years from now. Let's hope for the possibilities. Then, ayan, dito. Ayan. Kasi more on planning ako. Tapos yung mga plan ko, hindi naman natutupad. So, siguro kulang ako sa action and discipline. And actually, natutupad ko siya. Nagagawa ko siya. I'm very okay with that. But, I failed on self-discipline, maintaining, ganyan. So, I am doing the planning ever since I'm 16 years old, 16 to 17 years old. Ang dami ko na ding online business na ginagawa. Tapos hindi ko na maintain and nakapag-save up or pundar doon. So ngayon, I want na makita since I'm turning 20, I want to see all of my hard-earned money na may mapuntahan siya. So, I'm redirecting my life. So, ito yung mood board. Dito ko siya ginagawa sa Canva pagkatapos ko kuhain sa Pinterest. So, ayun, for me lang, maganda talaga yung nagpa-plano tayo. Pero, you know, wag kang... It's more on action and faith. So, kahit anong plano mo dyan, pag hindi talaga will ang nasa taas, wala mangyayari. But, you know, at least put yourself in the right path. That's it. I'm really trying to focus on myself this 2024, but I keep on failing because I lack self-discipline. I think doon ako nagkukulang because I failed managing my sleep, my health, ganyan. I'm more on getting weak and weaker due to my health conditions. Lagi akong sicky person. So, ayun, I'm trying to manage that and I hope na maayos ko yun. Nakikita nyo yan, nakatali yung hair ko kasi ganito yung ginagawa ko pag gusto ko siyang ikulot pero hitless. Natutunan ko to sa mga influencer sa TikTok. Yan. Pero may ginagamit talaga dyan na nabibili. Sadyang kinuha ko lang yung sa damit ko na parang lace. Then, ayan. Kinarap ko lang siya tapos tinali. Yan, kikita niyo yung mga kalat dito sa kama ko, yan. Mga bigay yan ng friends and other, mga kakilala. I'm planning to, dahil Friday ngayon, I am planning to pamper myself ng onte, very light. I'm planning to add some color to my nails. Yan. Nakasalamin. Ganito ang typical and everyday look ko pag wala akong masyadong ginagawa dito sa bahay. And since tapos na din yung finals namin. So, yun, sana wala akong deferred subject or anything. Gusto ko na sa second year pass forward. Guys, so, gagawin na natin yung nails ko. Ayan. Kukulayin na natin siya. And I'll be back later. Ayan. So, let's start. Hi guys, so today is June 7 and it's currently 3:09 p.m. So I'm here at our house. Wala akong ginagawa ngayon because yesterday I was so busy. Galing ako sa isang company and I tried to apply for a job and it's my first time. And I aced the interviews and the assessment, but I failed. I failed in the typing exam. So, you know, I'm kinda disappointed to myself because I'm really desperate for a job. I'm really desperate to earn some money. I'm in a very bad, not that bad. I'm very tight position and I really need that desperately because I need to move, I need to start. Yeah, I feel so disappointed, but that's life, you know. At least I can go back and try again next time. I don't know, maybe I should rest first because I feel like I'm posing. I kinda feel like I'm pushing myself too much and pressuring myself too much to hit a certain goal. I'm rushing. I don't know why I'm rushing to. I just feel so pressured.
I just got back from Target. I picked up all of my car essentials, and before I get into stocking up my car, decorating and organizing it, I'm actually gonna go and get my nails done to match my car since it's my pink. I thought I would bring you guys along with me to go and get my pink nails. Yes, I am extra like that.
Philippine International Pyro Musical Competition. We bring to you our very own Platinum Fireworks Incorporated, a young company established in 2002.
Board exam. Pinapasa niya yung board exam niya, guys. So, it's 7, 8, ay mag-8 pala. Nandito ako sa Blue Bay. Naglalaro lang ako kasi I'm so sad. Galing ako sa wait lang. Para nung pangalit. Good morning, guys. So today is July 8. It's around 6:32 a.m. and magpa-plancha lang ako ng aking sasuotan today bago ako mag-asikaso because kakagising ko lang talaga. Ay, binalak nyo din.
Close na. Hi na! Hindi kita talaga isa si OTP. Hi people. Alam, crush ko naman dyan, T.
Siyempre maganda yung araw eh.
Yes. Sino ng fourth floor, bakla?
Guys, di pa, wala pa tayong credential, di pa ngayon. Babe, ka dito. Ka dito, lapit ka.
Hindi naman bakla ka.
Tama, meron naman. Meron na ice cream, wait lang. Kaya ang lahat pretty. Ayan sa kumukha kong lola.
Ayaw na mapin. Go.
Guys, pre-taste.
Skating muna tayo, guys.
Kaya? Isa lawlaw.
Parang nagbago isip ko kasi ang dami. Hi!
Hi!
Ano Pa-innocent?
Mapagpanggap.
Magmura yan. Parang di malutong magmura. Inamin.
Ano yung mga, ba't kayo nagbibideo?
Thank you for
Pasay
calling.
bola kayo, no?
This is Conduent PH. Sabi, kasi ito lang nakita ko eh.
Random nga ba eh.
Dapat ano, chef?
Yung medyo kalmado na.
Sige, sige. Ang ina.
Counter-stop
Sabi nyo, random ngayon, oldies. Ano mga kanta? Kay Sarah. Hindi kay Rona lang hindi pa binabayaran.
Binili, tapos di ba binabayaran?
Okay, ito po ang history ng chicha.
Makwento niyo yung chicha, ate.
First day namin, may baon. Ay, second day pala. Ay, hindi, mali. Third day namin, may baon po si Rona na chicha. Tapos, tinanong namin siya, magkano mo binili
Uy, ako
yan?
naman ni ano eh.
Sabi niya.
Labas yung...
300.
Sabi niya 300. Yung binibenta niya sa amin ngayon ng 50 isa.
40 isa, bali. 4 bali.
Eh, di sana binigay ko na lang sa inyo.
So,
Kung hindi binibenta lang.
So, ang tubo niya is, how much is your
5 pesos ang tubo.
Macy!
Ha?
5 pesos ang tubo.
Meaning, 20 pesos lahat. Wait,
So, kung totalin, ang tubo niya is ay
20. Tubo niya each is
6 pesos po,
Tama lang na,
6.85.
nasa 5 pesos lang yung tubo ko each.
may ano pa, centavo pa.
Oo.
Dahil mo ka-purple ba?
Tell with me.
Naka-register sa BIR.
G-U-L-P. Gulp. Alam ko, galit mo tang na ginawa naman ang panga.
Panga ka talaga ba?
Parang mo.
Mamamatay ko talaga to.
So, today is July 13 and birthday ni Joby ngayon. So, namimili ako ng gift sa kanya. Mukha naman ako may dito, may saro. Ganun ba ulit ate?
Mamaya na.